Hello, welcome to another microbit video from me, Mr. Morrison. So today we're going to create a project I like to call rotating screen. So as I rotate my microbit here, you see my smiley face is following the way up my microbit is. So if we see that, it's doing a little rotating like so. So this is exactly the same. This is using the accelerometer, and that's exactly the same if you've ever turned a phone or a tablet different directions and the screen follows. If you've not got the screen locked on, it'll follow and it knows which way up it is. So that's called the accelerometer. You'll find the accelerometer on the back of the microbit down here. So let's get coding. So we are going to create a new project and call it rotating screen or something along those lines. I'm going to get rid of on start and forever. And I'm going to go into input and I'm going to find on shake. So this one is not just shake, it can do other functions with the accelerometer. And we're going to have the ones that are tilt left and logo up, logo down. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a pattern here. So I'm going to choose tilt left as my first one. And then I'm going to drag it out again. And I'm going to choose tilt right. And then I'm going to drag it out again. And I'm going to choose on logo up. And I'm going to drag it out one more time and choose on logo down. So this is the 4 directions that you can turn it, or we're wanting to turn it. Now, we need to think carefully about how we're laying out our animations. So I'm going to drop a show LEDs into each of these. Just be careful when they're not hiding behind each other. So just drag this up a little bit and put one in here. And finally, one in on logo up. I think what I'm going to do is zoom out so you can see this. So I'm going to do my smiley face. You can have another animation, another emoji or character on the screen, but just make sure it's easy to rotate, because you might get quite confused if you don't do this right. So on logo up, so the logo's up here, that's going to be our initial one, our starting one. So let's put the smiley face there. So if the logo's up, it's going to be upright like this. If the logo's down, well, it's going to be upside down. So I need to find the same pattern upside down. Then we've got tilt left and tilt right. So I'm going to put the eyes here, and my tilt left is going to be facing this way, and my tilt right is going to be facing this way. So now I have one facing every side of the square at some point. And now it should be, if I tilt it up, down, left, and right, the smiley face is appearing at the right times. Do you see that? So up, down, left, right. So I could do down, down, oops. It's much easier on a real microbit. So down, left, up, right. And so then that means it's rotating the screen. So have a go at this. And once you've done one, try and create a different picture with this. Maybe it could be a little electronic pet or something that changes. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you again very soon.